Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I got another super simple Glam DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal tea light holders. And so what you're going to need, you are going to need some of these crystal napkin rings. They come in a pack of 4. I picked these up at Efavormart. You're also going to need some of these crystal pendants. These are Angel's Tears pendants, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these glass candle holder plates. You will need 2 of these tea light holders, these glass tea light holders. And I have some peel and stick gemstones here. These are optional, and these are picked up at Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Now for my project, I will be using hot glue to assemble this, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make the items permanent. So these are the items that we'll need in order to create these gorgeous tea light holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now how beautiful are these crystal tea light holders? They turned out absolutely beautifully. And they were so easy to make. These are perfect for Mother's Day, for a wedding, however you like to use them. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another super simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.